Who introduced the Aspa system? Jahangir. Treaty of Chittor signed between Mughal and Rana of Mebar. Jahangir. First sent first by East India Company to the court of Jahangir. Hawkins. Who among the following is the envoy of British King James I was sent to Jahangir court? William Hawkins. Jahangir respects the title of English Khan. Hawkins. English Khan to William Hawkins. Sir Thomas Rai came to India as British ambassador during the reign of Jahangir. Sir Thomas Rai came to India. Jahangir. Sir Thomas Rai, ambassador of James I of England, came to India in year 1615. British ambassador came in behind the Jahangir from the Ajmer to Mandu. Sir Thomas Rai. Thomas Rai was received in audience by Jahangir at Ajmer. विलियम रापलाफिच पहले, फिर विलियम हॉकिंस, फिर निकोलस डाउनटन, फिर सर थॉमस राय। हॉकिंस 1608 में, जहांगीर रापलाफिच फर्स्ट इंग्लिश ट्रैवलर 1583 में, थॉमस राय 1616 में, निकोलस डाउनटन 1614 से 15 में। डच ट्रैवलर हु हैज़ given a very valuable account of reign of Jahangir, Francisco Pelsert. Foreign traveler visited India during the reign of Jahangir. Francisco Pelsert. Mughal emperor has no Muslim in India. Jahangir or Humayun. Jahangir or Babur. Emperor Jahangir buried Lahore. Tomb is situated outside India. Jahangir buried in the tomb garden of Shahadara outside India. Shahadara, Lahore में, died in 1627. Mughal painting reads Zenith under Jahangir painting. नदीर उल जमन बाई जहांगीर अबुल हसन को दिया था ये। नदीर उल असरा मंदसौर। पेंटर ऑफ जहांगीर कोर्ट मनोहर बिजुदास मंदसौर। मुगल एम्परर रोट हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी इन पर्सियन। जहांगीर। किलर ऑफ अबुल फजल वॉज रिवार्डेड बाई जहांगीर। Which of the following rebelled against the Mughal Emperor Jahangir? खुसरो महाभारत खान और खुसरो और महाभारत खान। खुसरो was son of Jahangir. Not a member of Nurjahan's junta. Jahangir. Nurjahan's junta Mahabat Khan. Itmad Uddaulah tomb at Agra was built by Noor Jahan. Petra Dora is related to which of the following? Decorating the wall from floral design made of semi-precious stone. Jama Masjid, Babur, Dine Panah, Humayun. Completion of Akbar's Muslim Jahangir Mahal, Akbar. Govind Place, an excellent specimen of the Hindu architecture, is located at Datia. Humayun tomb Sikandra. Jahangir tomb Shahadara. Tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti, Fatehpur Sikri. Tomb of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia in Delhi. Shahjahan. Shaded area above the map shadow Empire Shahjahan. The root of the dispute between the Shah of Iran and Mughal Emperor Kandahara. Loss of Kandahara was big blow to the Mughal Emperor from the viewpoint of a strategic stronghold. Who had the deputation of Banaras Pandit before the Mughal Emperor to seek the abolition of pilgrimage tax on Banaras and Allahabad? Kavindracharya. Which Mughal ruler patronized Kavindracharya Saraswati of Banaras, a great scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi? Shah Jahan. Motive behind the Shah Jahan Balkh campaign was to secure friendly rule in Balkh and Badakhshan, which bordered Kabul. Poet laureate of Shah Jahan Kaleem. Actual name of Mumtaz Mahal was Arjumand Banu Begum. Coordination of Hindu and Iranian architecture has seen in Taj Mahal. Which of the following Mughal emperor constructed Jama Masjid of Delhi? Shah Jahan. Who built Jama Masjid in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Capital of the emperor from Agra to Delhi? Shah Jahan. Alai Darwaza Delhi, Alauddin Khilji, Buland Darwaza Fatehpur Sikri, Akbar, Moti Masjid Agra, Shah Jahan, Moti Masjid Delhi, Aurangzeb. Red Fort Shah Jahan in Delhi. Lal Killa Shah Jahan. Upanishad were translated into Persian during the reign of Shah Jahan. Shah Buland Iqbal by Shah Jahan. Dara Shikoh. Which son of Shah Jahan honored his title of Shah-e-Iqbal? Dara Shikoh. Upanishad were translated into Persian by Dara Shikoh under the title of Sir-e-Akbar. Sir-e-Akbar. Author of Sir-e-Akbar Abu Dara Shikoh. Composition of Dara Shikoh. Majmol Bahiyan. Dara Shikoh buried in Delhi. First Muslim to study Hindu scripture was Dara Shikoh. Declared the regime of Shah Jahan to the golden era of the Mughal period. A.L. Srivastav. Kohinoor was presented to Shah Jahan by Mir Jumla. Which Mughal emperor abolished the Persian court custom of sajda, which was begun by Balban? Shah Jahan. Who among the following was the governor of Deccan for the major part of Shah Jahan's reign? Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb succeeded Shah Jahan to Mughal throne. Mughal emperor was coronated twice. Aurangzeb. Battle of Dharmat was fought between Aurangzeb and Dara Shikoh. Battle of Bilgram, फिर बैटल ऑफ सरनाल, फिर बैटल ऑफ धर्मत, फिर बैटल ऑफ जज्जौ. बैटल ऑफ सरनाल गुजरात में 1572 में. बैटल ऑफ बिलग्राम शेरशाह सूरी डिफीटेड हुमायूं 1540 में. 1658 में औरंगजेब डिफीटेड दारा शिकोह इन बैटल ऑफ धर्मात. बैटल ऑफ जज्जू बहादुर शाह वन एंड मोहम्मद आजम शाह इन 1707. डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब इन for his succession. Aurangzeb defeated Jaswant Singh, the king of Jodhpur, in the Battle of Dharmat in 1658. Dharmat is situated in which state? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Death of Suja near Banaras, February 1658. Victory of Dharmat 15 April 1658. Battle of Samugra 29 May 1658. Battle of Devariya 1659. Mughal prince who took refuge in Srinagar Garhwal Suleiman Shikoh. Which son of Aurangzeb revolted against his father, beginning his father's position against Rajput? Akbar. Mughal general did Shivaji sign the Treaty of Purandar? Jai Singh 1665 में. जिंदा पीर Aurangzeb. Traveler came to India during the reign of Aurangzeb? Peter Mundy. शाह जहाँ के. विलियम हॉकिंस और थॉमस राय जहांगीर. एंटोनियो मैंसर्ट अकबर के रेन में. फर्स्ट मुगल रूलर हु फाउट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश? Aurangzeb. Two of the following states which Aurangzeb had conquered Deccan were Bijapur and Golconda. Aurangzeb did get victory over Bijapur. 1686 Golconda. When Aurangzeb seized the fort of Golconda in 1687, Abul Hasan Qutub Shah. Aurangzeb at the time of his death 1707, highest number of Hindu general in Mughal army. Aurangzeb, Mughal emperor, was appointed. The maximum number of Hindu official was. Aurangzeb reimposed jizya. Aurangzeb, jihad carried on by Aurangzeb is Darul Islam. Bibi ka maqbara, tomb of Bibi. Aurangzeb. Second Taj Mahal, tomb of Rabia Ud-Durrani. Daughter of Emperor Aurangzeb, Mehrunisa, to whom Aurangzeb bestowed upon the title of Sahibat-uz-Zamani, Jahan Ara. Saint Ramdas is associated with the period of ruler Aurangzeb. Moti Masjid in Red Fort at Delhi was built by Aurangzeb.